Biggie.
Let's get it. Okay. Oh yeah, we live.
Live. Let's
Welcome
go.
back, y'all. Pull up the comments, send a alert out. Let them know right quick.
Definitely. Yo, what's up, everybody, man? Welcome back to Stock Plug Investments, man. When we teach you not to look for a pick, somebody to give you a stock pick, man. We want to teach you how to play yourself and find the right stock to buy on your own. And you can, plug somebody else. Plug somebody else that don't got the game. That's what this is all about. We're gonna teach y'all the game for real. Free of charge. Then we're gonna don't worry about that. But oh yeah. The link just went out bad. Let me send this out on IG real quick. We live.
Send it out too.
Real quick. Yeah, as you can see the title though, this is part 2 to the series. Are you an investor or a trader? So today we're gonna be talking about trading, being a trader versus an investor. On the last video, we talked about what an investor is, and we went into details about how investors, how they trade, how long they trades tend to be, and what they're looking for when they're getting in the trade and getting out of a trade. So today we're gonna give y'all the exact same thing, but how a trader move in the stock market, and they got different entry points and different exit points. So we're gonna go over that today. Let me finish this post real quick. We all good, y'all.
Try to get a few more people in here.
Yep. Hey, if y'all got any questions, man, just put them in the chat, man. Let me pull my chat up. I want to see the chat today. Get my
Yeah, if anybody watching this video when it ain't live, y'all can also leave a comment on there too. Let us know what y'all investing in. We can pull it up, look at it, and
yep. All that, man. We all about feedback, man.
We're gonna get the Discord going real soon.
Oh yeah.
I'll let y'all know about that. Privately, we can talk privately on the phone, you know what I'm saying? Talk about different trades.
Yeah, that Discord gonna be crazy, y'all. They're gonna like that. They're gonna like that. We're gonna have that to y'all real show, man. The Discord, that's just gonna be like we're showing y'all how to do everything, but some people don't always got time to go look at charts all the time. A lot of people work or whatever. So the Discord is gonna be us doing all the research and we giving you signals like, all right, you could buy at this point, sell at this point. You know what I mean? And yeah, it's just gonna be as simple as that. It's gonna be real easy, man. Quick trades, long trades, and that's gonna come right after we get into these options, which is coming probably Thursday or next week. We're gonna start talking about options, man.
We can do it Thursday for real. We gonna let y'all know what a day trader is, and that's gonna fall into the options. So that's perfect. We can just let y'all know what that is, so everybody can know what that is, and
right.
Yeah, we can get into the options.
Do all that. All right, so
got a few people in here. What's going on, y'all?
Love y'all. What's up, man?
Gotta get started though.
Yeah, you can go ahead and get started.
So, all right. Today is basically what is a day trader. We're talking about what a day trader is. We talked about what an investor is last video. Y'all tuning into that. But what is a day trader? A day trader is a type of trader who executes a relatively large volume of short and long trades to capitalize on intraday market price action. The goal is to profit from very short-term price movements. Day traders can also use leverage to amplify returns, which can also amplify losses. So sum that up for them, bro. What is a day trader?
All right, so like bro said, day trading is it's just somebody that they in and out of trades real quick. You know what I mean? They ain't looking to hold no stock long term. They actually looking to get in a few minutes for real. It can be
within that day.
Yeah, you know what I mean? It can be within the day. Or it can be a little longer. Like it's also swing trading. So day trading, you would buy it that day, sell it that day. You can also do swing trading, which you will buy that day and sell it within like a few days or a few weeks. That's swing trading. That's still not the same as investing. You
Yeah.
know, like we said last episode, investing is more so, you got a long-term game plan. You're gonna buy when it's at the bottom of the channel and you ride it up for like the next few years. And day trading is just like a lot of people call it scalping, which is like you would buy it, the stock could be at $7. And then when the stock run up to 750, you would sell it. You know what I mean? You only want a small price movement. It can move up 50 cents, but you buy so many shares that, a 50-cent move with 1,000 shares is a nice profit.
Yeah, just like with that Dogecoin.
Yeah, that's why
Yeah.
everybody was eating off of that, because they can throw a little bit amount of money at something, catch a little move, or a big amount of money at something, catch a little move, and it still be a lot of profits in it.
Yeah.
That's what day
You can
trade.
day trade Dogecoin, honestly.
Definitely did that, and that's how I was doing it. If y'all look back in the other videos, I was telling y'all like I was doing scalping with Dogecoin. I wasn't holding it long. I would just, it'll run up to 50 cent, hit resistance at 50 cent, then come back down to 40 cent. I throw like $1,000 out of that 40 cent and then watch it run back up to 50 cent again. And I sell all of it.
Yeah, that's a few hundred right there.
Yeah, real
quick.
quick. You know what I mean? I could do that in one day. I could do that in 5 minutes. Like it just depends on how fast the stock moves. You know what I mean? So
that's basically what a day trader is. When you basically buying a stock or contract and selling it within that day. Intraday is what they call it.
Yeah, and that's like the one trading day.
Yeah, within that day.
Yeah. So let me get into showing y'all some stuff we look for trade. And before we do that, I'll talk to y'all about like the key difference. So with a day trade, we looking to get in at we buy support, we sell resistance. And we talked about support and resistance on a few of the other videos, so y'all can go back and watch those and get the game on support and resistance.
Yeah, that's real important. That's real important, y'all.
We're gonna touch on it again today, but intraday we buy as soon as it get close to support, we buy that, and hopefully it bounce out our support and go up, and then we sell it when it get close to resistance. When it can't go up no higher, it hit resistance. We selling it when it's like this, and then when it's coming down, we buying it when it's like this.
Yes, sir.
I mean, that's support and resistance. That's how I go, just like that. So you shared it, bro, so I can.
Yeah. I shared it with you so you can
real quick.
Your screen share directly. It should show up.
Let's pull up this hold on, wait.
What's going on, John Wilson? What's going on with you? Got a few people in the chat.
All right, we getting to it. All right, boom. So here are the charts right here. Let me show y'all how you would day trade or scalp trading. You know what I mean? Is the correct term what most people use. So with scalp trading, it really don't matter what stock it is for real. You know what I mean? Because all stocks follow a pattern. They follow support and resistance from past history. You know what I mean? So when it was down here, it ran up to support. It ain't break through. It came back down. Then it opened up above support. So that helped it get above that. And then it hit another resistance. Then came back down to support. You know what I mean? Stocks follow these patterns repeatedly. You know what I mean? So that'll be your edge. That's the edge a lot of traders follow. And in day trading, that's what you really want to use. So you can scalp trade something like AMC, which a lot of people is talking about right now because it's running up crazy and all that. Oh my God, bro, look at it in the aftermarket.
Oh,
it broke resistance in the aftermarket.
It definitely did.
My God. We was just saying in the last video, if it break this resistance at 35, I'll buy it. I'll buy some right now and sell them in the morning.
Man, that BlackBerry about to break resistance too, I believe.
I want to get in this trade real quick, but we ain't got long on here. So let me finish up. So look, boom. We were saying the other day, like if it was to break this trend line right here, this resistance, this red line, that we is a buy. You know what I mean? Because it ain't never been this high. Oh, yes, 37. Yeah. This is the all-time high. Never been this high before. So this stock can open up tomorrow at $50.
Yeah.
Like run up all night. and go to $50 from here. You know what I mean?
It's about to go crazy,
It
man.
could.
AMC, GameStop.
I really want to buy something real quick. Hold on, wait.
Short squeeze going crazy right now.
I want to get in on that right now, but don't be surprised if this run up something crazy tomorrow. But look, let me go to Doge because I want to show y'all how I was playing Doge. You know, give y'all that example. So you want to pick time frame for trading, doing scalp trading or day trading. You want to pick a short time frame. You know what I mean? So we're gonna go on like the 15-minute time frame. You know what I mean? No smaller than a 5-minute time frame. You know what I mean? Because you can get a lot of movement on these time frames in a day.
Yeah, definitely can.
So I tend to use the 15, so 15 to an hour, depending on how long my contracts is, or you know. But let me show you how I was playing Doge though. Look at this. This on the 50. Let me use the hour. Hour better. Just the hour chart. Look at that. Let me make this chart big. I know it look crazy. Let me help y'all out real quick. Boom. We're gonna use the whole screen. Whole screen name. Boom. I know I got a lot of lines on here. This is just my chart, and you know. But let me show y'all a quick day trade move. So one of the moves I was hitting consistently was this right here. When it was when Dogecoin to do a big dip like this, when it was up here and it was coming down, I was saying it was coming down, right? I was calling like, all right, it's ready to come down. The stock got to cool off. It hit 40 cents right here, this line right here. And this was support at first. Then it finally went under. And when it fell, it came all the way down to this support down here, y'all.
Yeah, around 25 cents. That's a huge support.
You know what I mean? Big dip. I'm buying that at 25 cents. Bro, this happened in an hour.
Yeah.
It fell from 30 cents to 25 cents or 40 cents to 25 cents in an hour. So I'm buying that right then and there. And then I'm going to sell when it get back up to resistance. Boom, this the first resistance. I really would have sold most of it right here at 35. That's a 10-cent move. You got enough shares, you can make a nice profit off of that.
Yeah.
But then even if you hold it even longer and you come to this second resistance right here, I would change these reds so it'd be easier to tell that this is resistance. Boom, I do this because like it's all in the eye. Like if you see it, you know what it is. You know what I mean? So when it's coming up, boom, it's red. I'm getting out before it even hit this red line. I'm straight out. I'm taking whatever the market gave me, and I'm comfortable with that. We want to be consistent traders.
It's a 10-cent move right there.
Yeah,
man.
We ain't looking for nothing crazy. We just gonna keep winning. And even if they small wins, they add up. So we're gonna take that 10-cent move, sell our position right here. And whatever we made, we cool. We're gonna wait for the next dip and do it again. And you can do this once your account big enough, you can do this 100 times a day.
Man.
You know what I mean?
Hey, and with the crypto, you definitely can make as many trades as you want.
Yeah, with crypto, you can day trade all day, buy and sell, buy and sell.
Yeah.
So, you know what I mean? So boom, they hit this resistance and then it came back down. I would have bought this down here again. Once it broke this strong resistance and it came back, I'm buying down here. And I'm gonna catch the move up again. You know what I mean? That's what day traders do. They follow these lines like, you know, this is everything. These lines is everything to a trader. And they know the chart, these lines, so the traders respect these lines. You can see that. Oh, my internet connection bad. But you can see how these lines is being respected for a long time. Like, look at that. Like, this is a long, it just kept, they didn't want to break this line. Then even if you go back, it's respecting this same line. Look at that. Boom. You know, it keep doing it. Let me open that up for y'all so y'all can see that. Look at that. Like, this same line right here. So that's what traders look for. They look for these support and resistance, and they look for these channels, and they play their edge. You know what I mean? It was running up in this channel at first. Let me change this. Oh no, that was a short time frame. Let me go to this one. This is the overall channel right here at Dogecoin. And look, it fell out the channel something stupid. That's why I was saying I'm not holding it long no more. It was in this channel running up crazy right here. Look at that. Ran up from the bottom to the top, bottom to the top, halfway down to the top. Then it came all the way to the bottom and it was just bouncing off the bottom of the channel. I'll buy this.
Yeah.
I'm buying this bottom of the channel because we
Yeah.
know it's typically it's gonna go back up, and that's what it did. Went halfway back up and fell some more. When I seen that, I'm out of there. It ain't going back up. It's showing me it don't want to go back up, especially when it fall out of the channel. Once it fall out the channel, it's
Yeah.
falling.
Yeah, no,
Out of here. It's going down, and now the stock is just consolidating, decide if you want to run back up or fall some more.
yeah.
You know,
About to create another channel, probably.
exactly.
Most
But
likely.
you know, you know the rule of trading. It got to return back to the channel. So
Right.
it's gonna come back here. That's why people saying it's going to $1, $2. Because look, once it get back in the channel, it's already at 80 cents.
Yeah.
This June, if it get back in the channel by 80 cents, just the bottom of the channel was like 75 cents.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You can catch that dollar move up. So this is actually not a bad time to buy Doge if you're willing to wait for that move.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And you can day trade it and you can long term. You know what I mean? So I would, since it's out of the channel like this, I would buy this right now. What is it at right now? Like 20 or 37? And I said this on the last video, bro. Then I say, if it breaks and go above 35, I'm buying it.
Oh, yeah.
I said it on the last video. And look, it sure enough broke that resistance and ran up. You know what I mean? So it's probably gonna come here, reject or break through, whichever one. But I would have bought this, like I was saying, I would go past 35. I'm buying this. Then I'll sell it right here at 40 cents, 5-cent move. But I throw $1,000 at that and get a bunch of shares.
Yeah.
A bunch of shares. And that's a quick flip.
But hey, you hold that till it go to 80 cents. That's 50 cents per share.
That's a quick flip. That's a quick flip. You know what I mean? And the good thing about being an investor or a trader is you can do both.
Yeah, definitely.
Both.
Definitely.
That's the beauty. So what I do is one of the things I do when I trade is I want to trade stuff I'm investing in. So if I see a company that I'm gonna invest in for 3 to 5 years, I'm gonna also trade that company too. So I'm gonna get some shares of that company and plan on holding that for 3 to 5 years. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trade it in the intraday. So every day when it go up and down, I'm gonna make money on it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make money when it go up and price go up, and then I'm gonna make money when it go down because I'm gonna get puts on it while it's going down. Look at this, it's moving right now. I bet just stay on another hour. I bet it'll reject at this line. I wouldn't even be surprised, Brad. You ain't gonna be on here that long. Let me go to the 15-minute. But yeah, so before I get too sidetracked, yeah, so I hold it long. I get the shares for long term, and then during the intraday when it's running up, and one of my indicators tell me that it's ready to sell. Look at that. Look at that Bollinger Band. So this is a good indicator to tell you when to buy and sell. When it's all the way up here at the top, we're not buying it. We're not buying it. It's too high. Like it's ready to take a little fall. But when it's at the bottom, when it was down here at 31, this is a good time to buy. Bottom of the Bollinger Bands, so you can catch that move up. You know what I mean? So let me show y'all what I would when I'm if I'm holding it long term and I want to trade it also. Let me show you exactly how I will play it. Let me show you. You know what? Let me show you one of the stocks I do have. Because I already do this. I did this trade today. So look, this stock is on its way back up. On his way back up. So I got shares already. You know what I mean? So when it run up and I have these Bollinger Bands on, boom, it's a good indicator. So I have it like on an hour time frame because I want to do a short, quick trade. I want out either that day or within the next day or two. So use the hour time frame because the stock can move from the bottom to the top in about a day.
Yeah.
So that's the move I'm looking for. If you got the right stock, it can move $30 in the day. Tesla do that. I trade Tesla. We trade Tesla every Friday. But on this is small cap
stock.
stock.
That Discord, man.
Yeah. We're gonna say all that later. But look, so I bought at the bottom of the Bollinger Band. I mean, already got the cost, so I'm making money when it ride up. But when it hit this resistance, I bought puts. Look at that. It hit the line. Oh, it's time to this is probably about to fall back down to this line or to the bottom of this Bollinger Band. So I'm gonna buy some puts right here. And when it fall back down like $1, maybe $2, you know what I mean? Back to this support right here at 24.17. That's about $2, almost $2. I can buy puts and eat on that. You know what I mean? If I get 10 puts and it fall $2, that's 10, that's 2 bands.
Yeah.
That's 2 bands off a little $2 move. You know what I mean? So that's how I trade. I bought a long call. You know what I mean? I done told some people to get in this stock right here, and we bought it down here at 20. We bought this at 20. Yeah,
yeah, charge point.
Yeah, we bought this at 20. And then it ran up, and I seen it hit the top of the Bollinger Bands. I bought some puts, rolled it back down to 22. 8 on that. Bought some more shares. Ran up again, hit the top of the Bollinger Bands. Time to get puts. Fall back down another $2. Let me eat on that. Yeah, I mean, that's the trading part. Then when it's run up again, my shares is going up now. Now the shares I bought for the investing long term is doing this move right here, going up. And then I get the puts when it's ready to come back down. Boom, come back down. That's a what? Let me see this thing in my way right here. So this 25.42 to resisting 25.20 or 24.22. So that's just basically a little dollar dip. Yeah, dollar dip.
Yeah, it's about to break out, man. It's consolidating.
It's ready to break out, yeah, I mean, but every time it dip, I'm buying puts and I'm making money. You know what I mean? So hedging my bet. You know what I mean? I'm making money when it go up on my long-term investment, and I'm making money when it come down when I trade it.
That's a good strategy, man. And now I'm using that strategy. Now I feel comfortable investing in stocks that don't pay dividends.
You know what I mean? Like, that's how you eat all the way around. Now you don't got any bad days in the market.
Yeah.
Now you ain't stressing because you eating on both ends.
Yeah.
You ain't really got nothing to worry about. So that's how, you know, I do it. I can't say everybody do it like that, but that's what works for me. And then once you get like some high volume stocks, let me show you how Tesla move real quick. What time is it? Oh, it's almost time to get out of here. Let me show you real quick. Bro, you got the quote ready, bro?
Oh, yeah, let me pull one up.
Yeah, let me show them Tesla real quick before we get up out of here. Tesla is a big dog stock. Like, this stock moved $30 a day. Tesla is a big mover. So this are marked up because I trade Tesla regularly. Because this is a good stock. It give you $30 moves, $20 moves. You know what I mean? Every day, pretty much.
Quick money.
So Tesla, look, let me show y'all the beauty where Tesla at right now, y'all. I need y'all to see this. Tesla's of his channel, y'all. It ain't too far from the bottom of his channel. So look, this is let me show it on a monthly so it could be more prevalent. You can see that in detail. Look at that. This a monthly candle right here. So the low, it hit the bottom of this channel right here on a month at 550 something. The exact amount it hit was low of 546. That's the bottom of the channel right here. And now we back up. Now let me show you where it's at on the daytime frame. Look, it just bounced off the bottom of the channel right here at 546. It got this much room to go. This is why Cathie Woods is buying this. Tesla is about to head back to the top, y'all.
And it can do that any day now.
Yeah, I mean, and it probably won't take a week or a day. It could take 6 months. But when it's at this bottom of the channel, you load up with your investments. All right, let me start buying shares to hold for 2-3 years, right? To make this move all the way to the top with my shares. I'm getting shares and I'm holding them all the way till they hit up here again. You know what I mean? And while it's making that move up there, I'm going to trade it every day and eat when it go up and down. So let me show you. Let me show y'all. So we doing quick trades. So our contract, the shorter the time frame on the trade, the less you got to pay for the contract. We're gonna get into that next week. But
sure.
So once it hit this bottom right here, it just start running up. So look, it hit the bottom. Boom. I bought this right here at the bottom, shares, then watch it rise all the way up. Boom. It start right here. Oh, I'm getting some puts. This is at $600, right? This is the hour time frame. this is at 7 in the morning. By 11 o'clock that same day, this stock was at 582. You know what I mean? That's a $20 move in 3 hours. I can make so much bread off of that move right there.
Man.
You know what I mean? Fall all the way to the bottom. You know what I mean? Fake out like it's going back up, then come down some more, and then run up again. You know what I mean? So I'm eating when it's falling. Then my shares eating when it's going back up. Then my puts eating when it's going back down because I'm trading it every day. Then my shares going up on my investments because it's running up again. And that's the beauty in this, man. That's how we do it, man. And it's up and it's down. So you don't even got to worry about stressing in the market. You really can't lose. Like, look at Tesla aftermarket. Look at that. Up $4.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
Definitely.
That's I'm gonna be eating in the morning.
Man, AMC, man. I just looked at
Eating in the
AMC. AMC running, bro. I think
It's
it
still
just
running?
broke the resistance too.
See, that's what I'm saying. I need to buy this real quick, bro. I'm about to buy this on Webull before the day out, before 9 o'clock hit.
Oh yeah.
I was on Webull at 9 o'clock.
Yeah. 38.
Yeah. Oh my God. It's out of
38.
here, bro. I'm buying some, bro.
AMC.
Hey, I told y'all, man, if it break this resistance right here, now this is support. So once it run up and come back down, it's gonna stop at 35 again. You know what I mean?
Yeah, probably.
So you know what I mean? So just be wary, man. Be cautious, man. We're gonna give a lot more game following weeks, man. We're going live tomorrow. If y'all got some stocks y'all want us to look at, we'll definitely go live and look at those tomorrow on IG. Tap in for that. Bro, you want to hit him with the quote real quick?
Yeah, for sure. It's a nice, simple quote, you know what I'm saying? Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. And that's it, basically. Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. Like when you trading options, of course you might take some losses or whatever, but your risk is really gonna come from if you don't know what you're doing. A lot of people lose money because they don't know how to take profits. We talked about that in one of our videos, or simply just know what they're doing on selling a call or put. So yeah, that's basically it. That's the quote of the day right there. Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing, man.
That's facts.
Thanks for everybody that tapped in. Y'all hit the like button. You know what I'm saying? Share the video to somebody that might want to learn about the stock market or whatever. And yeah, that's it.
Hey,
We out, y'all.
our next trip.
Yeah.